Bumping this up to the top. Clear. I wanted to make sure you saw my last email. Clearly, something's amiss here. Please let me know if I'm bothering you. Right? That's a double whammy. People think that our whole lives revolves around the spammy salesperson, and then they turn into that creepy person that got your number at the bar and now is calling you 52 times at 3 o'clock in the morning while you're asleep, and you wake up with 41 voicemails from somebody from the bar. Hey, if I thought you wanted to go out with me, if you don't want to go out with me, just go out, just tell me, and I'm in an Uber right now. If you just give me your address, I'd love to hook up. Hey, I didn't mean that last message. What I really meant is I really like you and I thought we had a connection. That's what you sound like, right? Be cool, be calm, be confident. Don't bump anything up to the top. That's amateur hour. Don't say, hey, if you could just let me know. And for sure don't say, this is the last time I'll ever email you. Good, right? I'll make that permanent and I'm gonna block you, right? Just, hey, I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on.